Hi friends, how are you today? It's Miss Kristen here and I'm excited to be with you. Let's start off by doing our hello song. Ready? Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. We're glad you're here today. Are you excited to be here? I know I am. Okay, let's figure out what day of the week it even is that we are here together, okay? I've got my yellow square circle thing over the day that it is. So let's do our song and try to figure out what day we are talking about, okay? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, nice. You guys probably followed along so well. Thanks for hanging with me this far. Let's figure out what day it is inside of our yellow square. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Is that what you said? I bet you did. So today is Wednesday, okay? If today is Wednesday, let's figure out what yesterday was. The day before my yellow square, okay? Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday. Did you figure that out? I bet you said it out loud. Whoops, I knocked out my other side. Yesterday was Tuesday, and sorry, today is Wednesday. Now, can you take a guess? If today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? What will the day after the yellow square be? Ready? Let's figure it out. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday. Did you say it? I don't know. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, good job. Way to follow along so far. Now, there is a number inside of my yellow square also. Can you see it here? Do you know what number that is? That's the number that matches the day that it is today. Let's count and figure it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the 6th day of the month. It is Wednesday, and we are in a whole new month. What month are we in? Do you know? It is the first month of the year. It is January. January. So exciting, a fresh start, okay? So we know today is Wednesday. We know it is the 6th day of the month, and the month is January. So we would say that as today is Wednesday, January 6th. Can you say that with me? Ready? Today is Wednesday, January 6th. Good job. We are also in another season right now, okay? Last time we talked, we were still in fall, but we are in a new season. Our season is winter. Behind me, it looks very wintry outside, doesn't it? There's lots of snow on the trees behind me and outside. But now we are officially in the winter season. We've had days that sure felt like winter, but now it actually matches on our calendar and weather chart, okay? All right, way to follow along so far. Let's talk about our color this month. Our color this month that we will do all of January, you spell it W-H-I-T-E. It also matches the snow. What color is the snow? Hopefully the snow you see is white, okay? Our color this month is white, okay? Can you look around in your house or your room and find something white? I have white paper. There is, again, white snow behind me. White's gonna be a pretty good color to find things because there's so much white all around us, right? So right now I see a ton right outside, right behind me. Let's talk about the letter. It's been a while since we've talked about letters, okay? You had a nice winter break, and now it is time to get back to letters. Do you know what letter this is? Take a look at it, and then we'll go into my alphabet chart and we'll try to figure it out. All right, you might know it. If you don't, let's look. This is the same letter right here. Let's see what's inside of it. It is a net. Net. Net starts with the letter N, okay? And it makes this sound. Net, okay? Let's practice writing our N's together. So if you have some paper, grab some paper and a marker or crayon, and let's practice writing our uppercase and lowercase N's, okay? So our uppercase, or our capital N, we would start with a line down, then we would go diagonal across, and then we would go down and touch that diagonal at the bottom. That's our uppercase, or our capital N. For our lowercase, or our little n, which makes the same sound, it still makes that sound, okay? You would just do the line down, and then you would just do a little lump over. That's a lowercase n, or a little n, okay? Good job. Way to follow along. Let's talk about our number this week. Here is our number. It is a 1 and a 2 next to each other. If there's a 1 and a 2 next to each other, do you know what number that makes? Let's count to it on my calendar and figure it out together. Okay, this is the one we're stopping at, a 1 and a 2. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that is the number we're working on this week. 12, okay, or a dozen. If you get a dozen donuts or a dozen bagels or a dozen roses, you get the number 12, okay? Let's practice writing our 12s. We're gonna start it off like we do our N's. We're gonna go straight down. That's your 1, and then you're just gonna make a 2 right next to it, okay? So then you go up and over, and then you have made your 12s, okay? That is a 12. Great job following along so far. I'm so impressed. Okay, the next thing we're gonna work on is a shape worksheet that I've attached to the bottom of this video, okay? So if you wanna print this out, you can follow along with it. Let's start by figuring out what each shape is telling us. So each shape, it says color the shapes in the picture. So each shape has a color that matches, and then once we figure out our key on the top, you can come down and you can color this beautiful snowflake in, because our theme this week is winter, okay? So you can match this beautiful snowflake to the shapes, and it's gonna make just an amazing picture at the end. So our first shape is a star, okay? And below it, it has a color, Y-E-L-L-O-W. It was also the color of December that we worked on, okay? That is yellow. So what I would do right now is take time to color the star in yellow, okay? And you can even highlight the color or the word yellow right next to it. That way you remember, every time I see a star in my picture, I'm gonna color that star yellow, okay? And you can do the coloring part after we're done talking about all of the colors in our video, okay? And then it'll make a really beautiful picture. Next, we have a square. Below the square, it tells us the color that the square is. It is R-E-D, red. Okay, so now I'm gonna find a red marker, and I'm gonna color my square so I remember what my squares are supposed to be colored in down below. So now I've got my red, and then I know I can come down into my snowflake. I will look for my squares. Let's see, where is there a square? I see diamonds. Oh, there's tiny squares. That tricked me. So you would come down and you would find your little squares, okay? There's a few little squares. You just gotta search for them in your snowflake, okay? Let's head next to the circle. There is a circle next. What color is the circle telling us to do? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange, okay? So next you'll do your orange circle, and you'll color it in up here to help you remember what color your circles are supposed to be. And I'll highlight my word orange, okay? And then I will come down to my snowflake and I will look for my circles. And I will color those circles orange because it matches, okay? Let's head to the next shape. It is a diamond, okay? It is telling us to color all of our diamonds, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, okay? Let's do that together, okay? I'm getting my purple marker. I'm gonna color in my purple diamond, and I'm gonna highlight my purple word. Now I'm gonna come down to my snowflake and I'm gonna look for my diamond, and I'm gonna say, ooh, I'm gonna color that diamond purple because it matches what my key is telling me up top, okay? And then I just will continue to find my other diamonds and color those purple as well. All right, let's go to the next shape. This is a rectangle. That's a rectangle. What color is the rectangle telling us to color it? B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, so I would go down and I would find a blue marker, any shade of blue you like, and you will color in your rectangle. Okay, and you will color in the word blue. And then I'm gonna come down and look for my rectangles. There's a lot of rectangles in this picture. All of these long rectangles. And you will color them all blue, and it will make your snowflake so beautiful, okay? Lastly, we have one more shape left. What shape is this? This is a triangle. The triangle is telling us to color it G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay, so now I'm gonna look for a green marker in my basket. I have found one. I'm gonna color in my triangle. Ooh, and I'm gonna color in the word green so I remember. And then I'm gonna come and I'm gonna look for my triangles and I'm gonna color those in. Woo. I'm gonna color in the triangles that I found green, okay? And then you can take your time and you can go through your whole worksheet. You will make a beautiful rainbow of colors with your snowflake, and it's gonna be wonderful. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that, and it helps you practice your shapes and also makes a beautiful picture at the end. Thank you for being with me today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.